Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is changing the view in Google Keep. Google Keep has two views that you can switch between to make the app easier to use. Those views are Standard, Grid View, and List View. Google makes it easy to change between the two views with just a click of a button. Let's look at how to change the view in Google Keep. Open Google Keep and make sure you have some notes in the body as I do in this example. At the top to the right of the undo symbol, click the two parallel bars. By doing this, it will take your notes out of Grid View and put them into List View. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.